All right, today I'm going to show you guys the MySmile Electric Toothbrush. I'm going to show you how to use all 5 settings, the differences between them, and yeah, just give you a review on my opinion on this toothbrush. Full disclosure, I was sent this product from the company to test, but I'll still be giving you my honest opinion. So overall, I think this is a really high quality electric toothbrush. I think it's bigger, so it's bigger than the current electric toothbrush that I was using. It's a little bit larger inside, the base is larger, but it's nice. You have more room to hold it, and I really do like the purple color as well. The head is detachable, and it comes with 2 different extra heads, so there's 3 heads total, and you can easily, clip them on and off. What I really do like about this is that it has 5 settings, and they can be used differently. So the main setting, the first one up there, is clean, and that's going to be the strongest one. So you press the power button once, and it's clean. And this is just, the classic electric toothbrush vibration of the bristles to really get in there. Then when you hit refresh, it kind of has like a staggered approach. You could see, I don't know if you could see it, but the top bristle is really moving right to left, and it's moving right to left hard. Then we have whiten, and this one's cool. This one is really just a top bristle as well, and it's kind of got a staggered approach. So if you had some teeth whitener, you can kind of go one by one and spread it with that function. Then we have gum care, which is a little bit more jagged, which you can get and clean the gums, and then sensitive, which is similar to clean, but it's just a little bit softer. So it's really nice that it has all those different settings, and it has extra brush heads as well too. So you might clean with one brush head, and then do the teeth whitening with another brush head if you don't want to mix them up. So yeah, another thing about this is it is rechargeable. The battery life is pretty good. So there's the charger here. We'll just plug it into USB. And yeah, overall, I think this is a really high quality toothbrush. I like that it has 5 different options that you can use it with. And yeah, that's a review.